The factory was shut down by Karnataka State Pollution Control Board in April this year. Residents say they smell the carcass burning at night. Also, the smell makes it difficult for people to go out.
The bone factory here at Razaq Pallya has been causing us a lot of skin issues, breathing trouble. There's been a lot of issues with geriatric people because we have parents of certain officers who are living with them, all of them falling ill due to cough and cold and viral fever. And you know, this is a place which is clean and all of us go out for walks because we can breathe in fresh air. But then even the basic of going out for fresh air and taking a walk in the evening was becoming a burden because the smell was really bad. And these are noxious fumes which are affecting us and our health.
Senior citizens at the nearby old age home say they face health troubles because of the fumes.
ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
The city corporation says they will take action if they receive any complaints.
There was one bone mill factory that has been shifted to Gauribidnur side. Some waste is disposing now. That comes under Baglur Panchayat and BBMP area. We are not responsible for that.
Laborers at Razaq Pallya still stay at the bone crushing unit despite the plant being shut down. Expert emphasizes on the toxicity and the need to manage biological waste ecologically.
So if they are doing it for compost, this fertilizer making,
yes, sir.
So they can do this composting out of it. So proper steps needs to be followed to do the composting and where we can generate the manure. The emissions, the time of emissions what we are releasing should be in unstable atmospheric conditions.
Yes.
So that the unstable atmospheric conditions will carry the pollutants to the longer distances.
The fumes pose major health hazards to the environment and the nearby residents. Karnataka State Board and BBMP can work together to resolve the cattle carcass dump. Reporter Mehak Khajuria, CityCast.